Hi everyone, this is Sandeep and you are watching to me. I hope you are well and you are doing well, my dear friends. If you are thinking, you can capable to speak anything, anywhere, place. You must not consider at this talk what people would think about you, my dear friends. If you want to do well in your life, if you want to gain well, and you must not consider at this talk if and what people would think about you. If you want to do new in your life, you have to face of people, you have to watch lot of people, they are doing well, and you ignore everything in your present. Only you focus for your goal, what are you and what you want to do in your life. I think that if you are a student and you want to achieve something well in your future, you have to know work for your ambition in the present. My dear friends, if you would not do as lot of time will remove in your hand, if you would not consider what are you doing nowadays, if you would not thinking and you are not serious taking for your ambition in your life, I think that you are wasting your time. Do work. If you are going anywhere field, if you are walking slowly, I think that some moment will come as you will show something different from the people. And my dear friends, you must know that at this talk, set your mind how you can develop yourself, how you can learn lot of us, how you can talk from the stranger people, how you can think, how you can do practice. My dear friends, practice will make to you strong and he will strengthen your work if you are doing something. My dear friends, if we are doing something and we are not do practice, we are not thinking, and suppose that I want to deliver a speech on the stage and lot of people are sitting front with me and we are watching of them, and in my mind create lot of hesitation. If we are not ready, we are not preparation, if we have not do lot of practice, I think that our mind, our body will compon. I think that vibrate, our mind will be vibrate. I think that I will see lot of people, lot of crowd, I will not talk of my talk, because my dear friends, lot of fear will create if we are watching someone. If you are not do practice, my dear friends, you cannot make well anywhere field you want to go. And my dear friend, do work taking for your voice, he is your strength, he will change everything in your future. If you want to do well, if you want to learn well in your life, my dear friends, create positivity and think lot of us how you can develop yourself, how you can do well. I think that we are not getting as type environment where we are explain lot of us, where we can do lot of conversation, because we are learning and I am a learner. Also you are watching to me and we are improving of myself. If you are thinking how you can develop yourself, how you can watch lot of people, and how you can make strong your communication skill, my dear friends, you must study, and I think that you can do well in your life, because we are watching lot of people, they are providing best opportunity to do, and if you are thinking you can do, you can learn. There is no one, no age. Only you are thinking you are the most unlucky. Taking for your ambition, you are totally wrong if you are thinking as type. If you are not believing as a super power, you have to need work in your present. Everything will be well in your future if you will give time at yourself. You must know that at this talk, and we are learning, we are thinking, we are doing. Anywhere place we are going, we are thinking how we can do well, how we can talk of people. So my dear friends, lot of barrier will be created in your mind if you are going to do. यदि आप कहीं भी जाएंगे तो बाधाएं क्रिएट होंगी, किसी से बात करेंगे, in your mind will not come word how you have to talk and what you have to talk that time. But when you will be alone, जब आप अकेले होते हैं, lot of think will come in your mind. बहुत विचार आपके अंदर आते हैं, आपके माइंड में आते हैं. Then you must think that time how you have to do and how you have to grow yourself. Because if we would not think about myself, if we would not think before doing something, I think that we cannot reach anywhere place. Because if we are going school, then in our mind come thoughts we have to reach their place. We have a minimum time to reach that place, and if we are not working, taking of my future, I think that I will nothing do in my future. We have to need know at this time, my dear friends. Think lot of us. Think about yourself. Think about your goal, what you want to do and what you can do in your life. So between of the people, you are not big, your time is not big only. Your time is big, you are not big. I think that you would say a lot of people, I will show one day and I will take as type day, people would see only. सो थिंक, बिकॉज यदि आप नहीं सोचेंगे तो आप लाइफ में आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे. आपको सोचना चाहिए एंड डू वर्क फॉर योर गोल. आई एम सेइंग अगेन एंड अगेन. सो you must think how you can set your mind and how you can do well in your life. If यदि आप मुझसे कहेंगे कि मैं ऐसे ही बातें करूं, if I would talk as type in my video, because I will think before talking something, not be a writing before. My dear friends, you have to need such content, how you have to keep your thoughts and how you can talk from the people, how you can do well in your life. You must know that at this time, if you want to achieve something, you have to need no work in your present. You must know that at this time. I hope if you are watching, my dear friends, you can join at my YouTube channel official Sandeep, and I hope you are well, you can do well in your future. If you are thinking as, we are requesting to you in polite voice, please at this YouTube channel and push the bell icon and keep your thoughts in the comment section. If you are watching to me, we have to need your support. Thank you. Jai.